Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way. Welcome to my channel. In today's project I will be doing Father's Day card, and this is a simple project. I have this A2 size card for the base, and I have a couple of strips which I did the die cut, and then I'll be using the designer paper. This is a beautiful designer paper. I'll be using all these things for this project. So let's get started. Now I'm going to adhere this strip of papers. I think I have put it in the wrong side, so now I'm changing the side, and I'm going to stick that, and I'm going to check it and see where to put the next strip of paper. So I'm going to use that and stick that on the top of the card. Now I'm going to stick this designer paper. This is about 4¼ by 2½ inches. I'm using the foam double-sided tape. And I'm going to cut the excess from the sides. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell button and keep the notification on, so when I post it you can see the videos. Now I'm using this ephemera leaf, and I'm going to stick it on the card. Like I said, it's a very simple card and easy to do it. And I have already stamped the sentiment, and I'm going to use my double-sided tape and I'm going to adhere it. So this finishes my card. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn on the notification so you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.